elephants, because what happens in case of conflict scenario, elephants have been diverted, right? So these elephants which are diverted, they needs to be retracked into the right path. So if you go there on a vehicle, they may be more disturbed, but if you go there on an elephant back, they may be better directed. So this is how we are using these rescued calves for elephant management and directing the proper movement of the elephant herds.
Show us the rare informations and very interesting way how you have been attached with the calves and the story behind them, and we never have this kind of experience, I think. So we definitely thankful for you, madam, for giving such a wonderful speech and such a wonderful interaction with all our students. Thank you so much.
Shwetashri Purohit, assistant professor भावे कार्यरत Department of Agriculture and Allied Sciences रे इन CV रमन ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी. अच्छा, आज है विश्व हस्ती दिवस 12 अगस्त 2012 मसीह यह पालित होउची. हस्ती माने माने हाथी माने होउछंती हमर जो एनवायरनमेंट किंबा परिवेश रो एक उच्च स्तर प्राणी. हाथी मानक जो आमर वायुमंडल परिवेश रो बहुत प्रकार रे तांकर व्यवस्थित रहुछि. तो ताकू संरक्षण करिवार बहुत आवश्यकता रही. से कि यही हस्ती दिवस सृष्टि ताकि यही जंतु मानू आम बंचेकी रखिपर आम परिवेश को बंचेकी रख.